Wow, have you guys ever seen this many amazing birds? Whoa! If only I hadn't done that. Oh, come on. Tim is not helping today. Gosh, darn it. Look at that. It's like a blanket. It's like a blanket of birds out there. A special blanket. Wow, like look at that. That is amazing, guys. It's a big family of hawks up there, just having a great time. Sometimes you see this like underwater with schools of fish circling around objects. This is awesome. And I'm able to film it today with an iPhone 13, which usually is bad luck, but
Likey